It is high time you stop using ChatGPT as a fancy Google and start making use of it as a personal money making machine because that is what it can also be used for. Today, we'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT to make money. I know on this internet space, you've heard people and you've seen people talk about how they made few dollars using ChatGPT and you didn't believe. Well, you need to start believing because it is true. Now, let me be clear. Most of us here has done this. If you open your ChatGPT app and you type in, give me a business idea, what do you think would be the answer? Of course, you will get a generic robotic sounding article that Google would never rank, or business ideas that start a dropshipping store, start affiliate marketing, start this, start that, and that is all. And then you felt stuck. You close the tab, and that is it. The truth is that you can actually get more using ChatGPT, but the output you get is because of the command you gave as an amateur. But don't worry, a course has been put together, a trustworthy course has been put together to guide you on how to make money using ChatGPT. Everything has been simplified. But I need to say this, using ChatGPT to make money isn't about asking it for ideas. It's about treating it like a high-powered employee that needs specific instruction to execute a profitable task. With this in mind, let us talk about why you need to get this ebook. Number one, you will learn the prompt engineering masterclass. Here, you will be taught the framework that turns ChatGPT from a basic chatbot into a senior strategist within a few seconds. You also will be taught content creation on autopilot. This is actually how to create a month worth of high quality blog posts in a single afternoon that are actually designed to rank on Google. You also get to see the secret of creating YouTube scripts that hook viewers within the first 30 seconds. Not just YouTube, Facebook as well. You'll be taught digital product creation. Here, there is no tech skill required. This deals with how to brainstorm, outline, and write a high value ebook or guide in under 48 hours to sell to your audience. Now, imagine having a tool that can write high converting ad copy in seconds, brainstorm 100 YouTube and Facebook video ideas based on a trending topic or trending topics, or even write complex Python code to automate your busy work. But yet, you aren't utilizing this opportunity to making money. That brings me to asking you, why? Why? Anyway, I would say that you missed those opportunities to get this. This is the right time for you to tap in to the big change and evolvement happening in the world. AI, ChatGPT can fetch you money. And that is why this ebook has been created for you. Want to start making money on Facebook? Get this ebook. It is not just limited to Facebook because the knowledge you get from this can also be applied on other platforms.